Hello IG Garage family. Have you ever come across the P0070 ambient air temperature sensor circuit malfunction code? This one might seem minor, but it plays a crucial role in your car's performance, especially when it comes to engine efficiency and climate control. Stick around, as I'll break down what this code means, show you the exact location of the sensor, and guide you through the steps to fix it. And don't miss the 2 recommended videos at the end to keep your car running at its best. Alright, so what does P0070 mean? The P0070 code indicates a problem with the ambient air temperature sensor, or AAT, or its circuit. This sensor helps the vehicle's computer measure the outside air temperature, affecting engine performance, HVAC operation, and even fuel efficiency. Here are some symptoms of P0070. Incorrect ambient temperature readings on your dashboard, poor HVAC performance such as ineffective heating or cooling, potential check engine light illumination. Now, what are the common causes of P0070? A faulty or damaged ambient air temperature sensor, corroded or loose wiring in the sensor circuit, faulty connections or terminals, rarely a malfunctioning powertrain control module or PCM. So, where's this sensor located? The ambient air temperature sensor is typically found in a few spots. In the front grille area, often near the radiator, inside or close to the front bumper, where it can measure the outside air temperature accurately. In some vehicles it may be mounted near the side mirrors. Inspect this area carefully as the sensor is small and may be hidden behind other components. Now let's get into how to diagnose and fix P0070. First, inspect the sensor. Check the ambient air temperature sensor for physical damage or dirt. Clean or replace it if necessary. Next, check the wiring and connectors. Look for frayed, corroded, or disconnected wires. Secure and repair as needed. Then test the sensor circuit. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's resistance and ensure it falls within the manufacturer's specifications. If everything seems fine, scan the PCM. If the sensor and wiring are fine, the PCM may need reprogramming or replacement. Finally, clear the code. After repairs, use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code and test the system. And that's a wrap on fixing the P0070 ambient air temperature sensor circuit malfunction. With the sensor's location in mind and a step-by-step troubleshooting approach, you'll have your car running smoothly in no time. Before you leave, be sure to check out these 2 related videos. P0072 ambient air temperature sensor circuit low input. P0313 misfire detected with low fuel. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert tips from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you next time.